Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Thursday afternoon right here from the Modern Wall Street studio in the heart of the financial district of the Big Apple. And as I'm sure you could tell, I'm talking really fast. I'm full of energy because I've had way too much coffee today. Had to say that slowly. In other words, I have to dilute all that coffee with some post-work drinks, because you know what time it is. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. Mr. Meddy's in my hand saying we got to get out of here, right? It's time for happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they managed to close higher this Thursday amid surging oil prices and as investors continue to take in more economic reports. But first, focus still on yesterday as the minutes were released from the Fed's last meeting, and those minutes showed that the Fed's policymakers, they were divided, concerned about inflation, and split about how strong the U.S. economy really is. In other words, a lot of yelling, screaming, no resolution. Then there was also a new round of data today. Weekly jobless claims figures falling by 4,000 to 262,000, while the August Philly Fed Business Index coming in line with expectations. At the same time, leading indicators up 0.4% last month, and that was slightly more than expected. Meanwhile, crude oil prices continuing to be in focus, settling in at $48.22 a barrel. That's up a little more than 3% today alone. This amid growing talks, speculation, rumors, whatever you want to call it, of a big producer supply freeze. And with that all combined, you have yourself a session right now about a block away where 3 stocks have totally advanced for every decliner over at the New York Stock Exchange. And as I try to collect myself, let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out the second to last trading session of the week. And we will talk corporations today. We had strong quarterly results from Dow component Walmart, reporting better than expected earnings and revenue, as well as raising its full year guidance. Walmart shares up more than 1 3/4%. And in other corporate news on the other side of the spectrum, Caterpillar, another Dow component, seeing its shares slide nearly 1 1/4% after reporting a decline in July retail machine sales. And with that, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I'm already excited thinking about the weekend. No, not just because of the weather or the beach or surfing, but it's a big one for sports. UFC, WWE, NXT on Saturday, SummerSlam on Sunday. We still have the Olympics. I don't know what I'm going to do. Well, besides go out, I'm going to be watching a lot of TV, but I can't wait. 2 days away. From Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.